Title: How to pack for a trip using cube packing. Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to pack for a trip using cube packing. This packing method is perfect for maximizing space in your luggage while keeping your clothes organized. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right luggage. The first step to cube packing is choosing the right luggage. Look for a suitcase that opens fully like a clamshell, as it allows for easy access and packing. Soft-sided luggage is also recommended as it allows for more flexibility in packing. Step 2. Gather your clothing. Step 3. Fold your clothes. Take each item of clothing and fold it neatly. For shirts and blouses, fold them in half lengthwise and then in half again. For pants and shorts, fold them in half and then in half again, so they are compact. Step 4. Roll your clothes. This helps to prevent wrinkles and saves space. Step 5. Pack your cubes. Begin by placing your heaviest clothing items, like jeans or sweaters, at the bottom of the suitcase. Then, place the rolled clothing items in cubes, with similar items together. Use packing cubes to keep your rolled clothing organized and separated. Step 6. Fill the gaps. Use small items, like socks and underwear, to fill the gaps between the larger items. You can also pack small accessories like belts, ties, and scarves in the gaps. Step 7. Close the suitcase. Once everything is packed, close the suitcase and compress it down. And there you have it, how to pack for a trip using cube packing. This packing method not only saves space but also keeps your clothes organized and easy to access. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Thanks for watching.